Hi everyone, Gil and Alex, MSS-Miami.
How you guys doing?
We're here today. We feel like it's Christmas. Advanblack, who we've been with since day one, almost 5 years now overall, has sent us their down and out boss kit. We had already received it, put it on Gil's bike, but we had found early last year when they built it that there was a little mistake that needed to be corrected. Because for us audio guys, we couldn't get the 10-inch rings mounted inside the bag because the little slot where the rail is, they had flattened it out and didn't allow the ring to sit in that slot where we normally have the OEMs. So they send us a new kit for our anniversary show, August 31st, 2024. Alex is going crazy trying to get all these bikes done for the show and everything else. But we're very excited because this color match is going to go on She Don't Know. We are taking off our big bags, and we are going with the rider bags. So let's pull them out. Let's see what we got. So it's Wicked Red. Let's see. So this kit brings the saddlebags, the rear fender, the extended side covers, and the entire brake light system and mounting kit for the license plate. Holy crap, look at that. That is gorgeous. So this is Wicked Red. That's really cool. Don't have to do nothing to it. This is fiberglass composite. It's not plastic. Let me get the flashlight flash inside of it. So what this has inside is a glaze paint, a glaze black. So the problem that was originally this bag had is that this slot here was taken out on the original build, and it was all flat and didn't let the ring sit in. Now that they corrected it, we're going to put it on the mocking station in a few days and put all the rings on and show it on another video, and then it's going to go on to She Don't Know, and then we'll have it fully mounted. Let's put that away. So it's fully mounted, rubbers and everything on it. It has protective rubbers here on the top, which I really like for us that do audio, because that's going to be able to help us with the seal. As we move over with the fender, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Wow. That paint is color match. This is 2019, the original fender. The tank extension is Advanblack. So this whole bike, the rear end will be Advanblack, just like little Gil's bike, which we will show in a few minutes. Look at that thing. I said this is fiberglass composite. And the fitment is just amazing. It brings the entire brake light kit, which we will move over to Gil's bike here in a few seconds. And here's all the hardware with the license plate, plugs, everything. Let's take off and put on. Let us put this back. Give us a few seconds. So here is the side covers. Now the side covers, if you wanted to get them molded, you probably could. But these are full replacements. So the pegs are actually bonded compared to their extension kit, which is screw-on. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. You know, the paint is complete. Fiberglass composite. Very nice. Okay, so this is Gil's bike over here. And we had posted this earlier this month. So this is the kit mounted. We're actually putting 8-inch lids as well. Got them right there. Now we have latches on it only because this is an audio bike. So originally what had happened was, as I stated, she had it was all flush down here, and the ring wouldn't sit down. And so we would end up, not just us, but other shops would have to go ahead and grind that flush part, gain access to the dip, so the ring would fit. But now we don't have to do that no more. So as you see how she's mounted, this is a 2023 Street Glide. And this is color matched. This whole bike is Advanblack except the front fairing and the front wheel, but the lower fairings, the tank, there's a side cover kit. So this is the whole bike. Atlas silver. So the follow-up from this is going to be a mocking station. Get them put up there, present the rings. Then from there, we're going to have the bags reinforced and have the rings fully mounted. Now, the rings being fully mounted is just because we want, we're making an audio bike out of it. We're big audio. We already know what audio can be done without having to do all the reinforcements that we're going to do to it. We're looking at a Fatale Pro 350 at 600 watts RMS with a decent brace. We're looking at the Chata 250, a couple of Bema products. So there'll be more than enough 10-inch mid-bass drivers that will fit in there that you don't have to do all the bracing that we're doing and all the fiberglass work that we're doing like this, which is Spartan Seals did that work for us. So Alex is working on that little monster, trying to get that done. What do you think, Alex? We'll be done for the anniversary show?
Oh, yeah, we'll be done with it this week.
So more to follow. Alex and I will come back and show the rest of the stuff that we're doing. Bye.